Green Rubber Kennedy Ag Conveyor Belting and Fabrication Division specializes in fabricating, repairing, and installing conveyor belts. We have the most state-of-the-art fabrication equipment, including high-frequency welding for the most hygienic and food-safe products available. We offer comprehensive belting sales, fabrication, and service solutions, including food handling belts, package handling belts, and form and fill drive belts for packaging. Our products include belts for scales, baggers, as well as modular plastic belts, sand and gravel belts, cleated belts for inclines, endless and perforated belts, custom urethane molded parts, and conveyor roller covering and lagging. We provide conveyor belting for food-grade applications, including vegetable and fruit processing, meat, poultry, and seafood processing, as well as dairy, confectionery, and bakery products. Our industrial belting is suitable for mining and quarry operations, carton and box manufacturing, recycled material handling, baking and confectionery, winery and brewery operations, and bagging and cargo handling. We provide special belt fabrications with thermo-weld technology, as well as high-frequency welding, ensuring flights and lugs are permanently bonded for a long-lasting performance. Our products feature V-guides, lugs, and tracking guides, sourced through our specialized fabrication services to ensure precise alignment and extended belt life. With our advanced punching equipment, we can create virtually any hole pattern in your belts for dewatering, drainage, or vacuum applications. To learn more about our special belt fabrications and the high-quality belts, contact us today.